Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the differences between PERT and CPM, guys. Okay. So one thing that I want to be 100% clear is nothing but here in the questions, they will be specifying only PERT, guys. They'll never specify the CPM and solve it. So basically CPM is nothing but critical path method, guys. So here at the end of any kind of a process in networking, so in this, once you draw this networks, so the thing that you will be doing is nothing but you will be finding the path, right? Yes. So that critical path method is nothing but that only, guys. So basically using those statistical values, you will be finding it, right? Yes. And PERT is nothing but the diagram which you are drawing. So this diagram is nothing but the PERT. That is nothing but program evaluation and review technique, guys. Okay. Yes. So by using this technique, you can resolve it. Okay. Yes. So this is the full form and this is the full form. Let us go through them. Okay, so it is used to manage certain tasks of a project. Okay, statistical technique used to manage activities of a project. So basically here you are managing the tasks and here you are managing the activities, and this is for certain and this is for all. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is event oriented and this is activity oriented. Okay, so it focuses only on time, whereas it focuses on time as well as the cost. Okay, so this is a probabilistic method and this is a deterministic method. Why it is a deterministic method? Because we are doing statistical analysis here, because we will be getting the exact values. Okay, so this is used for research purpose and this is not used for research purposes. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about this two concepts, right? Yes. So in the next lecture we will be going through some examples, guys, where we will be solving the problems. So basically, like from now on, like around three to four lectures we'll be discussing about problems only, and I'm almost sure that we could get a problem among all these problems, guys. Values might not be same, but the model will be the same. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture and solve a problem in which we will be finding the network. We will be drawing the network diagram, we will be calculating the critical path, the project completion time and variance. Okay, so these are the few terminologies which we will be seeing in questions, guys. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture let us discuss. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.